What's up guys, and welcome to this video. Special thanks to Mercedes-Benz in Košice in Slovakia. Alright guys, so welcome to driving part of this review. Welcome to the review of driving the new B-Class. This is B200. So this is the key. So let's go. Foot on the brake, start the engine. Mercedes-Benz logo. So it has the new system MBUX, and I'm going to set the AC. So you can control it with touch and also with this touchpad and also with the steering wheel. Okay, so let's go. This has a 7-speed gearbox, 7 gears, double clutch DCT. Also this car has a AMG package. So when I compare this car to my A-Class is diesel car. This is a petrol or gasoline engine. 1.33 liters or 1.4 liters as they say. This is a really cool engine. It's developed together with Mercedes and Renault and Nissan, and it's more quiet as the petrol engines are more quiet. That's normal. So this car is pretty pretty nicely loaded. It has 18-inch wheels, so I'm using hold feature, so I don't need to hold my feet on the brake pedal. Nice ambient lighting. I have a purple sky at the moment. So it doesn't have a like integrated headrest like in the A-Class, because this is more like a family car. But to be like to give you the information, the seats are the same shape like in my A-Class, only the headrest is not integrated. So the feeling in the seat is the same, only the design is different. Steering wheel is the same as in A-Class, also the dashboard. So this has a full instrument cluster, 12-inch. I mean 10.25 inch, 12 are in the higher models. So really this is a different car. You feel like you sit higher than in the A-Class. The front of the seat, I make it like on the incline, so I have supported, my thighs are supported. And really in the lot of things this is similar to A-Class, but a lot of in other ways is different than A-Class. Styling is also a little bit different, like the dashboard is different, so you sit more upright. So this car has a dynamic select, which you can operate here with the toggle, and it has different styles like individual, where you can set a lot of things, sport, comfort and eco. So I drive for now in comfort. I never drive in eco in my car. Also later I want to try the sport. So the ride is comfortable on the same setup, AMG line, 18-inch, than in the A-Class. Acceleration, brakes have really nice feel to it, and really this is really pleasant family car. I heard like a whistle noise when I was driving faster, so I'm not sure why is it like that. Ambience lighting also in the vents and under the where are the pedals in the foot space. Also here are the lines. I will drive to the shopping center garage. So it has a nice push, this car. I'm surprised. Much better than 180D. So now the fuel consumption, I deleted everything from the start. So I will start to measure with the comfort drive how is the consumption, and I'm going to drive 90 kilometers per hour. So these roads are not the best roads which you can find. At least I can test, because on a smooth road every car is great. So I can test the suspension. So you can feel where is like disconnected road a little bit, but it's very comfortable, this car. Steering feel is nice. So far in 90 kilometers per hour speed, consumption is 5.3 liters. Also this engine can shut 2 cylinders and only operate on 2 cylinders when you don't use like a power, like I'm now on the cruise control. So you can save more. And I'm not sure if this shows on the dashboard, and if this is doing this, then it is doing really smoothly. I have a lot of space above my head. So my height is 6 feet and 2 inches, or 1 meter and 87 centimeters, around that height. My dash is at the moment in the sport mode, which is my favorite, because the black color, it's more blended. So these are far from great roads. Also not many like potholes, but there is like disconnected, like you can see it's like the road is not even, and a lot of repairs here and there on this road. Also there will be, on the end of this road, there will be possibility to drive 130 kilometers per hour for a short period. So that's why I wanted to go through this road, and you don't need to pay for the road. And there is also like a section where you need to slow down to 60 kilometers per hour. So it's great test for the acceleration. So actually I'm driving first this car, and then I'm going to do the exterior and interior review. So I'm familiar with everything in this car. A lot of things are similar, as I said, but some things are different. Okay, so here is 130. So let's test the brakes. I really like brakes. Brakes feel very premium. And again, here from 60 to 130. So this car is, like they say in the UK, nippy. It has like a push to it, but of course it's a little bit less powered than 22 engine model, which is a 2-liter Mercedes engine.
How can I help you?
So in North America you don't have this engine, only in Europe. So now I enter the city, and I'm curious how this car would work in the city. Now I'm going to the shopping center to see the ambience lighting, because there will be dark light. So different from the A-Class is here you have also like ambience stripes, and in A-Class is like under the middle tunnel. So I really like so far this car. I think it's vast improvement over the old. Visibility from the car is excellent. You can see everywhere because this car has bigger windows. Engine is quiet when you are cruising. So this car has a great sound insulation. So far 6.5 liters, and I had some full throttle accelerations. So not bad, not bad. Thermatronic dual zone climate control, and here we have a wireless charging, middle tunnel, and panoramic roof. So and also in the back you have like a little panoramic roof. So the feel when you start driving is very smooth. So now I'm going to test some parking. And also to show you the ambience lighting. Maybe I can even try the parktronic. This is more roomy car. It's like a family car, but still it's like a compact car. So definitely you sit higher than in the A-Class. I have a seat in the lowest possible position for the height of the seat. So I will park here. Parktronic needs like two vehicles next to each other to have like a good possible way. So yeah guys, this is beautiful. As you can see, here is the line, here is ambience. Also in these vents changes to black when you enter like a black area or when it's like a dark outside. Also you have here lines for the ambience lighting, and also there went also here nicely. In A-Class is like a straight line. In the back you also have, so great. Should find here space. Okay, but things it's okay. So this place. So guys, if you want to park, press drive, then this parktronic sign, and do what the car tells you to do. So drive forward, slow speed, and the car will search for the parking spots. So I want this, confirm to park, put in the reverse, and now the car will do everything for you basically. So just don't worry and rely on the car. So the car is maneuvering now. And you can also apply the brake. So the car has sensors, so don't worry, and it's doing pretty good job for this. Okay, so parking assist finished. So basically you can turn off the car and where is it, and go away, but I'm not going away. I'm going to show you how this car parked, because that's what we want to know. So this is how the car parked. This is enough space on the each side, equally the same size space, and so this is a great maneuver. Also here is like line up really nicely. Here is a line. So yeah, fantastic job, Parktronic. I really like this system. This is useful for people which don't know how to park correctly, or yeah, mostly this can also park in parallel parking. So yeah, this is a great system. If you want to use Parktronic to go out from the parking space, then start the car. Beautiful AMG, beautiful multi-beam. And press the Parktronic. And then it says where you want to go from the space. So I want to go here. Now to need to put in the reverse. And it goes automatic. Just watch the surroundings. If everything is good. So first time you try this, you can be in stress a little bit. But don't worry, this is working great. Okay, and now I need to take over the steering wheel. So I use hold feature, and now I'm going. This car has nice push. So definitely you can feel difference between the engines, 180D and 200 petrol engine. So really this drive is very smooth, and you sit higher, maybe like in an SUV, like a compact SUV. So yeah guys, this is driving part of this review, and make sure you check out exterior interior review, because I will show everything about this car there. So yeah guys, comment down below, give this video a like, share it with your friends, and guys, I'll see you soon in the next video. Have a great day.